everybody, welcome back to the Freshfield Fitness YouTube channel. Sticking with the theme of New Year, and many of you may be Tai Chi beginners, then I'm going to do a 10-minute session picking a couple of basic Tai Chi movements and combining them with some Qigong exercises too, for a very relaxing Tai Chi flow. I hope you'll enjoy it. Just keep everything well within your comfort zone, listen to your body and follow along. So we're going to start with our feet hip width apart in a parallel stance, and just take a moment to think about your posture. Ground those feet to the floor, really spread your roots and lift up through the crown. Nice and relaxed at the joints. Lifting up the arms and holding our ball, focusing on the hands. Taking your time, calming the breath. And like we're moving our hands through water, I'm going to add a little knee bend here. This time holding the ball, and we're going to hold that knee bend, take it down and then reach up to the sky. Let's repeat that. So sunrise, sunset, like we're holding our ball or our sun. And we're going to repeat all that with our feet slightly wider so we can sink into a deeper horse stance. Sinking down, holding it here. Reaching high. Keeping everything nice and relaxed. This time taking the arms to hold the ball, one on top of the other. We're stroking the horse and we're holding the mirror, stroking the horse's mane. Sink into that horse stance. Turn the waist to follow the hand and turn to the front. So we're going to add a side bow this time. So sinking over to the side, adding that twist of the waist. And you can stick with that or take it low and stay low. So moving into our horse stance here. take the arms down, like we're pushing against two walls here, and then cross and lift up, opening the chest. Cross and repeat. So really feel a nice stretch out here. And again. Moving on to our bow stance, we're going to repeat our stroking the horse's main arms. So stroke the horse and hold the mirror. Turning them round so we can go again. Creating a nice flow. So really feel the movement, like we're moving our arms through water, trying to push that water out of the way. And let's repeat that on the other side. And then bringing it back to our central position here, holding our ball or our moon or sun. I'm going to take up and lift it to the side. So nice twist of the waist, looking up to our moon and taking it over to the other side. This time we're going to add a transfer of weight. And you can stick with that or add our horse stance. So we're going to bend down and lift up. Sticking with our ball, we're going to take it over the head and sink into our side bow and add a little lift up here, stretching out and bringing it back to our centre, over to the other side. So it's like painting the rainbow, one of our QiGong basic movements, a little variation with the side bow. And finally, bringing it back to our centre. We're just going to inhale And exhale. Regulating the breath. And then all the way up to the ceiling. Nice stretch high. And relaxing as we bring the hands down. So keeping the posture nice and tall. Sinking the weight down through the legs into the floor. Still lifting up through the crown. And lifting up all the way up to the ceiling, opening out. One more time. And let's gather the chi. I hope you've enjoyed that short session. A little bit of Tai Chi and QiGong for beginners to follow along at home. I hope you're enjoying this free Tai Chi on my YouTube channel here. Do subscribe and let me know with a comment. Love to hear from you. Take care and I'll see you again soon.